Have you ever wondered why you're conscious? What is this thing we call the mind, and how does it relate to the body? Welcome to the Curious Culture Club. Our journey today takes us into the realm of the philosophy of mind, a field that grapples with the enigmatic nature of human cognition and consciousness. It's a fascinating expedition that delves into the deepest crevices of human thought and perception. It's here that we come across the mind-body problem, a philosophical conundrum that ponders over the relationship between our mental experiences and our physical existence. We also encounter the mystery of consciousness, this elusive phenomenon that allows us to experience, perceive, and understand the world around us. But how does it all work? What are the mechanics behind this complex interplay of the mind and body? To delve into these intriguing questions, we must first explore two key philosophical perspectives: dualism and materialism. Imagine two distinct entities, one of matter, your body, and another of thought, your mind. This is the essence of dualism. Now let's dive into the depths of Cartesian dualism, a theory proposed by the philosopher René Descartes. According to Cartesian dualism, the mind and body are not just separate, they are fundamentally different types of substances. Your body, like all physical objects, exists in space and is subject to the laws of physics. Your mind, on the other hand, is a non-physical entity that doesn't exist in space or time. It's where your thoughts, feelings, and consciousness reside. This perspective gives rise to fascinating implications. For instance, it suggests that even if your body were destroyed, your mind, your very essence, could continue to exist. However, like any philosophical theory, dualism has its critics. One major counterpoint is materialism. If we see the mind as inseparable from the brain, we step into the terrain of materialism. This viewpoint suggests that the mind is not some ethereal, distinct entity, but rather a product of neural processes occurring within the physical brain. It's like a complex biocomputer, with thoughts, emotions, and consciousness arising from the intricate circuitry of neurons firing and connecting. Materialism challenges the dualistic perspective head-on. It argues that the mind and body are not distinct substances, but rather two sides of the same coin. This viewpoint paints a picture of a unified entity, where our thoughts, feelings, and consciousness are all products of our physical brain activity. But materialism, like dualism, is not without its critics. Some argue that it fails to account for the subjective nature of our experiences, the what it feels like aspect of consciousness. Both dualism and materialism have their strengths and weaknesses, and they continue to be debated, but they aren't the only perspectives out there. The mind-body problem has spurred many alternative theories, such as neutral monism, panpsychism, and idealism. Neutral monism, for instance, postulates that both mind and matter stem from a neutral third substance that's neither physical nor mental. Panpsychism, on the other hand, proposes that consciousness or mind-like qualities are inherent in all matter, down to the smallest particle. Then we have idealism, which posits that reality is fundamentally mental, and all objects exist as ideas in the mind. In recent times, the philosophy of mind has intersected with other fields like artificial intelligence and neuroscience. Debates around artificial intelligence question if machines can possess consciousness, while neuroscience continues to uncover the intricate workings of our brain and its relationship with the mind. These diverse perspectives enrich our understanding of the mind, but also raise more questions. It's a thrilling journey of discovery, isn't it? As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the mind, the philosophical landscape continues to evolve. Theories of mind have profound implications on matters of free will, personal identity, and morality. For example, if we embrace materialism, do we surrender the notion of free will? If our mind is inseparable from our brain, what happens to our sense of self when our neural processes change? These questions fuel ongoing debates and propel the philosophy of mind into uncharted territories. Futuristic concepts like artificial intelligence and extended cognition challenge traditional perspectives and invite fresh interpretations. The intersection of neuroscience and philosophy holds potential for groundbreaking insights into the enigmatic nature of consciousness. But it's not just about answers. It's about the questions we dare to ask and the perspectives we're willing to consider. Indeed, the philosophy of mind is a journey of exploration and inquiry into an integral aspect of our existence, our consciousness. So keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay curious with the Curious Culture Club.